Booyah, Jim, and greetings from Montclair, New Jersey.
There you go. That's what I want to hear. What's happening?
All right. So listen, I'm a long-term investor, and I've been hesitant to invest in cryptocurrencies due to associated risks and volatility. So I have a two-part question for you. Number one, do you think individual long-term investors should allocate some percentage of their investments to crypto? And number two, do you think investing in the stock Coinbase is a good way to get that exposure and is now a good time to invest in Coinbase?
I think Coinbase is inexpensive. I don't really care for management because I think that they have blew out a lot of stock where they started. I was against that. They should have been buyers, not sellers. I think the listing went very, very poorly. I think the company is a repository of the natural repository of crypto. I will also say this, though. I own Ethereum directly. I think that you should have up to 5% of your portfolio in crypto. I am a believer in crypto, and I am not a Mike Novogratz lookalike. Canton, Illinois.
What's up, my millionaires, billionaires, trillionaires entering this crypto space? I welcome you to this channel. Good morning. Now, we see from Visa to Budweiser. Budweiser has proudly hopped aboard the NFT train, and it's not only the big name doing it this week. The beer giant on Tuesday changed his Twitter profile to a hand-drawn beer rocket NFT that is bought for 8 Ethereum, about 26 grand. And is also registered an Ethereum domain name, beer.ethereum, for 30 Ethereum, nearly 100 grand. The NFT was designed by artist Tom Sach as part of the Rocket Factory NFT series. Budweiser is just the latest household name over the past few days to signal its adoption of NFTs, unique blockchain-based tokens that can represent all kinds of physical or digital media, including artworks, video clips, or music. So this is just telling you guys right now that, like what I said, cryptocurrency is going to be in everybody's faces. These huge companies are now embracing cryptocurrency. On Monday, payment giant Visa made headlines after it paid 165 grand for a CryptoPunk, one of the series of 10,000 pixelated avatars from 2017. CryptoPunks are now selling for millions of dollars on a daily basis, and Visa's announcement made it clear that Visa considers its CryptoPunk to be art. Over the last 60 years, Visa has built a collection of historic commerce artifacts, from early paper credit cards to zip-zap machines. Today, as we enter a new era of NFT commerce, Visa welcomes CryptoPunk 7610 to our collection, Visa tweeted. So what I'm trying to tell you, it's not just what NFTs is running on. NFTs is running off of the XRP ledger. And not just that, it's going to run off all digital currencies. So just because they're talking about CryptoPunks does not mean they're not talking about digital other currencies. It's here to stay. The prices that you have now will shoot up. So the second thing here, I got a family, a billionaire family, okay, that is now trying to allocate all their money into cryptocurrency. The institutional demand for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies has grown by multifold this year. Every major Wall Street bank, family office, and hedge fund has invested into the digital asset market. The family office interest in crypto has seen an upward swing throughout 2021. Now Seek Capital, a family office owned by billionaire Simon Nixon, has announced its plans of increasing its crypto allocation. The family office said they see crypto as an important area of the future. The family office is also looking to onboard an analyst to help it focus on the crypto sector. The decision to increase its crypto portfolio comes at a time when the crypto adoption seems to be at an all-time high. A recent survey by Goldman Sachs also revealed the same. More than half the family offices that the banking giant does business with have shown interest in crypto investments. So, hey, you got to go ahead and stack your bags right now. So, Coinbase moves 256 million XRP internally. Popular crypto tracking platform Whale Alert has spotted the whopping 256 million XRP tokens have been wired by the largest US-based crypto exchange, Coinbase, in a single transaction. The amount crypto equals to 300 million USD at the current XRP price at $1.13. Data shared by the analytics website BitThump that works with XRP has revealed that the transaction was performed between internal wallets of Coinbase. Curiously, the Nasdaq-listed crypto trading venue suspended XRP trade in January this year, along with several other major exchanges such as Bitstamp, Binance US, and others, after the SEC regulatory agency has initiated a lawsuit. The community expected Coinbase to reinstate XRP on its platform on July 28th, since this was the data when the SEC Chairman Gary Gensler had to provide a detailed plan on crypto regulation to the Democratic Senator Elizabeth Warren. All right. So Binance shipped 100 million XRP to China. Family, all I can say is things are coming on the way. You gotta stay prepared. Go ahead and buy you some cryptocurrency, especially buy you some XRP. I'm not a financial advisor, but all I'm going to do is give you straight facts of what's going on, and I don't want you to be left behind.
Now, where are we?
Well, listen, 4 weeks ago, we were down at 30,000 Bitcoin, 2,000 Ethereum, and everyone was pretty depressed. What happened? A lot of things, right? I think, market couldn't go down, so it went up. But more importantly, you had Amazon, you had Walmart put up help wanted signs for crypto engineers and for heads of crypto. Two biggest retail companies in the world saying, we've got to be part of this movement. You had Visa yesterday buy a CryptoPunk and pretty much say, hey, digital assets is going to be a big part of our business. Loud and clear. We're talking to the guy who runs crypto at Visa. That's their message. Digital assets are going to be a big part of our business. And so I think you're seeing kind of total buy-in now that we're going to rebuild a lot of financial infrastructure in blockchain-based systems. That plus, when the government tried to jam in crypto regulation, they actually were successful into the infrastructure bill. In one weekend, people heard the crypto community roar. Washington woke up and said, well, who are these people? And why are they so passionate? There's 60 million American voters that love crypto. And so I think in literally one weekend, we became an industry in DC's eyes. And so you put it all together and we've had a huge shift. Now listen, prices will probably stabilize here a little bit and consolidate, right? You don't just keep going up forever. But my guess is fourth quarter, the S&P has a good quarter and crypto has a good quarter, right? Usually the winners of the year, when they're that much ahead, just drive on.
What's your take on what's going on in the NFT market? I mean, speaking of big corporate giants getting into crypto, Visa buying a cyberpunk. I mean, I don't know if this is symbolic or if this is an actual move into NFTs, Mike, but some are saying, and I'm quoting actually Brian Kelly, who's a huge crypto advocate on Fast Money, that there are some aspects of the NFT market that remind him of ICOs back in the day, which begs the question, could there be regulation? Is there froth here? I mean, what's happening?
Listen, of course there's froth. Listen, there was a piece of NFT art yesterday, right? A Fidenza, which is algorithmic art. Beautiful stuff that I literally could have bought 2 months ago for about $4,000 that sold for $3.3 million yesterday. I actually think it's the most beautiful NFT I've seen, and so maybe it'll sustain its value, but that's a pretty quick move. And so I think you're seeing, I think 15% of total art sales this year are NFTs. That seems a lot given, the thing didn't, the market really didn't even exist 4 months ago. And so, yeah, you're probably frothy prices. It doesn't mean by any stretch that this isn't a real industry, right? People get too excited at the very beginning. But CryptoPunks, when Jay-Z put his CryptoPunk as his Twitter, avatar, one of the kings of culture says, I'm going to use an NFT as my avatar. It should have told everybody to buy CryptoPunks. This is a shift in culture, and I think it's a big, big deal.
If part of the NFT craze is fueled Ethereum, Mike, is there Ethereum froth that needs to come out or that will come out, you think?
Listen, I think there's a recognition that things are going to be built on blockchains. And so it's Ethereum, it's Luna, it's Solana, it's what we call level 1 protocols. All have really jumped in the last 4 weeks. Matter of fact, Ethereum has lagged a lot of these other smaller protocols as people try to figure out in the long run, which one wins. Ethereum is certainly the leader, and I don't see it being dethroned, but it doesn't mean these other protocols won't have a piece of that fabric. And so it's hard to predict where prices go when you have a paradigm shift, right? The paradigm shift is, up until recently, people thought, what is this crypto stuff? And now you got Walmart, Visa, everybody's saying, hey, I've got to participate. And so I think, it's really an important time in this space. And I think the prices are recognizing